out loud on the bed, you... No!
Frenchie owners, stop yelling at them. They don't give a shit what you're saying.
Every day I'm hustling,
What is in your mouth?